Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the derivative of x. For that, we need the power rule. Next, we will see what is this power rule. So, here in the screen, you can see the formula of power rule. So, it says if we differentiate x to the power n, we will get n times x to the power n minus 1. So if you don't understand this, don't worry. We will see how we solve this problem. So our problem is find the derivative of x. So this is the notation of derivative. So this means we're going to find derivative of x. So we denote it as dx over dx. So when we apply power rule for this problem, we have to recognize the n. So here you can see there is a n, but here we can't see n, right? There is no n here, but there is always 1 in here. So that means in this problem n equals 1. So that's it. We all have to do is recognize the simple n of this problem. So dx over dx equals n times, here n times n equals 1 times, we will write x as it is, then n minus 1. Again, this simple n equals 1, that means 1 minus 1. We can further simplify this. So I will write this is equals, I'm not going to write 1 because there is no point of writing 1. This is equals x to the power 1 minus 1 means 0. So this is equals 1, because if you have any number which is power of 0, it is equals to 1. So this is our answer. Finally, we can write our answer as derivative of x equals to 1. So that's how we solve this problem. So we will solve plenty of problems in future. If you don't understand this, don't worry. You will definitely understand this concept. So that's it guys. Thank you very much, and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel.